Hi everyone! Well, I'm coming to you today from just outside of Santa Fe, New Mexico. This is a little rest stop right on the interstate. Actually, it was highly recommended on Campendium as a great place to spend the night. They have 24-hour security. I've already met one of the security guards who's walking around taking care of everything. So Kevin and I decided to basically take a 0 day. We drove up about an hour and a half from where we were last night, stopped and just kind of took some time to map out on the next couple weeks to see where we're going to head before we get up into Fargo. But what I want to share with you on this video is where we've been for about the last week and a half, and we have covered a lot of territory. So after leaving Kansas, we went through Oklahoma. We took the back roads and we beat the storms, believe it or not. And we stayed at a lovely little winery in Oklahoma, in Muskogee, Oklahoma, called Pecan Creek Winery. And again, this is one of the Harvest Host sites. Lovely little winery, very friendly, great wine, and just a nice place to spend the night. Then we headed on down, started into Texas, and you know, you can't get through Texas in just one day. We were on our way to Austin area. So we stopped at Brazier, Texas at the Be Happy Farm. Oh, this was so cute. We set out our camp mat, you know, our little rug, our chairs, and started just to relax and read. And all these little chickens came up running around. So cute. And they had a big pig. I think her name was Susie B. She was in the pen there. Just so much fun. And oh my word, we bought some farm fresh eggs and some ground beef. They have cattle there. Really, really nice. And it was so nice to talk to the owner and his son. His son was 12 years old, so he was in charge of selling the eggs. Very, very nice family. Then after visiting Kevin's sister in the Austin area, we headed out west to go see my dad in Arizona. And of course, before we head up there, we had to stop at one of my favorite little haunts, the Coronado Winery in Willcox, Arizona. Hey, again, if you're out in this area, don't overlook wineries in Arizona. Surprisingly, they're everywhere. And again, very nice quality wine. We enjoyed a wine tasting, had lunch, and of course bought a couple of wines while we were there. After spending a few days with my dad, we headed up through Phoenix and stayed outside of the Phoenix area at an alpaca farm, the Desert Mirage Alpaca Farm. I had heard about this place. There was a review on Harvest Host, and the review said, you know, you just can't miss this. I'm like, okay, I'm in, let's go. So cute. The family, multi-generational family, lives there, and they told us all about the alpacas. Just so cute. I mean, they really were. And of course, they had some items made from their alpacas, as well as alpacas from around the world, because it does take time for the fiber to grow and everything in order to make things. So we are headed up north now. We have made the big turn. We're going up the east side of the Rockies. The next stop is going to be up in the Santa Fe, New Mexico area. We're going to then head up to Colorado Springs and Mount Rushmore and Devil's Tower. Got to see Devil's Tower. Anyway, hope you enjoy the sights from this past week's adventures. Be sure to please subscribe, tell your friends, hit the notification bell, and put your comments down below. If you see anything, if you know of anything that we need to go see on our way up to Fargo, let us know. All right, be well, take care. Bye-bye. Yeah, AKA the professor. Join me and my husband Kevin as we strap on our backpacks, grab our passports, and explore this amazing world.